This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's June 20th, 2019. This one here I gotta go check out an AC system. Guy says that doesn't seem to be blowing any air. So it's been off for a couple of days. I think he said he's got 3 systems over there and all the filters need to be changed. Well, one of them's not working, so probably have to run out and get some filters or something. But we'll see why it's not running. It might have iced up. It might have iced up from being low on Freon. I'm not sure. We'll try to get some shots when I get there. New customer. This is fine. Filter's fine. It's got a box of them right there, so there's 3 of them. I gotta just check all 3. There's one unit that's having a problem. One, 2. He said there's 3 units. I don't know where the other one is. They don't look too bad. Don't look bad. Alright guys, I checked the filter. There's another one here. First company unit, looks like. It's icing up, so the fan inside is probably the issue. We'll check the fan inside, make sure that's working. It's probably internally in the fan. This is the unit right here where the fan's not working. It should be blowing and it's not. It's yeah, this is the one. Look at, they got the I think that's the supply. Oh, that's the return. That's the return. Here's the supply here, 14, yeah. I believe this is the one that should be running right here. And it's not. I'll take it apart and see why. Definitely ice cold here. We'll have to find out why. Probably this relay or sequence is bad. It's like a 220. $220. That's 220. Alright guys, I'm going to check that plug, make sure I got 220 going to it. Put you guys right there. And we'll see if we got 220. I'm into the leads. .23 volts. This is the 220 coming in. It comes in here, and then it goes through that relay. Well, if I put one prong here, or one prong going into the relay, I got 220. But I got no 220 coming out, so it's that relay up there that's bad. 24 volt. As long as I got 24 volt going to it, I'll show you. Coming into the relay, I got 240. And then going out of the relay, I got 16. We'll see if I got 24 volts going in that relay, which I know I do because I checked it already. Got a bad relay there, that's all it is. I got them in the truck. I'll check the voltage going into the relay. 24 volts. 25 volts. See it? Alright, so I got a bad relay there. I should have one of them in the truck. What is it, a 3-pronger? It's a 4-pronger. It's a 4-prong relay. 1, 2, 3, 4. See all these relays I got? I had to dig deep, but I got a ton of them in there. These are all the same, either 3 or 2-prong, going out, going through. But that's the one I need. I'll show you. It's a 4-pronger. But I got all these. I mean, I gotta start using this stuff up before I buy any more. I got a whole bunch of them in here. See, this is a 3-pronger. I got some that are just 2-prongers. You can see this one's got the 4-prong. There's 24 volt on this side. That's the one I need. That's the problem. It's that relay. It's not the motor. So we'll change this relay and she should fire right up. .24 volt. See it? Coil 24 volt. That's the one I need. Miss Molly. That's my girl. Daddy's girl. Daddy's girl? Huh? Yeah, you love Daddy. Oh yeah, look at the tail go. Alright, let me finish this job so I can get out of here. Alright, so I disconnected it from the low voltage to get it down here. So I could change these wires out. Then I'll stick it up and put the low voltage back. You see? I don't know if you can see or not, but it's a little shit. It's kind of a shit show here, Mama. That's the one that's bad. Smells burnt. This one might be a little bit different than the other one, but unless I get one screw in it to hold it. Or not, but it's a tight one. Flipping. It's a tight one. Screw in there. I got a couple of screws loose, Mama. I had to change my ringtone on my phone. They were hitting me for copyright with the ring on the phone. Weird. I mean, I've never seen nothing like it before. Copyright from the ringtone on the phone. Community strike. I mean, really? I had to change the ringtone on the phone. I mean, that's weird. That's a flipping job. only get one screw in there. One screw will be enough. Alright, we'll put the blower back. We'll see if we can get it. Yeah, that should be good enough. We'll put the blower back in. It should fire up now. Oh shit show, mama. Still a shit ass design. Still a shit ass design, I think. Should work now. Alright, that should work. Let's see if it works now. I got the condenser off outside, so might have to go downstairs and reprogram that thermostat. Alright, it's working now. What it was, that relay. Put the cover back on, then we'll turn the outside unit on. She should be good. Alright, replace fan relay. Put my sticker on there. Little bumper stickers. I'm gonna have to get him some more filters. I'm gonna get him them all there are dirty, so I'm gonna get him a whole box of them. There's two different sizes. That was the problem. That relay was the problem. If the fan don't run inside and the condenser runs outside, I mean, it'll ice up really quick. So that's what was happening. So it should be fine now. 2010. Look like Rudd units. Tons. I'm gonna have to get him some more filters. He's got 3 units here. Give it a couple of minutes, but this one should be fine. Heat Control Company. Oh, it sure looks like a Rudd. Yeah, they got scroll compressors in them. Come back, take them all apart, and give them a good cleaning. See all that stuff in there? There's 3 of them, they said. 2 here. Could be another one somewhere. Maybe on the other side of the house. There's 3 units here. That charge is fine. I only see 2 units. I don't know where the 3rd one is. Side on the front here, here it is. Here's the other unit. Yeah, I'll have to make an appointment to come back and take them all apart. They're really dirty. clean them good. At least they got cooling for now. Alright guys, I just left that job. I'm gonna go back over. I'm gonna get some of those Big Bear filters for over there, and I'm gonna return and clean all the condenser units, take them all apart, take the cages off, give them a good hosing. You know, get all that debris out of the bottom of that thing, especially the one by the garage there. That one's really bad. So you can tell it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So we'll go back and do it next week sometime. At least they got cooling now. That was that fan switching relay that was bad. So that thing must have really iced up. That fan wasn't running at all and the outside unit was running. I mean, she must have been an ice cube.